So if you can kind of spread, yep, perfect.
Alright, I lost you again. I'm gonna get on off of here, so I'm gonna get. Yeah, fine. Hey, I'm gonna get off here again. We keep losing our call. I need to leave in a minute anyway. She didn't hear me. Hey, can you hear me? No, they don't.
I'm not trying to get closer. You're good.
A few minutes.
No worries.
I'm gonna have to get me some stuff together too.
Love you.
Alright, she said love you too. She'll call you when she gets up in her room. Alright, yeah, that's all good.
So how did you get into like pheasant hunting and stuff?
I grew up basically wing shooting
Yeah.
and back home in Iran,
Okay.
and that's basically
When did you
in
come to the U.S.?
April 9th, 1999
Okay.
at 3 o'clock.
Oh, you remember the
Oh
time and
yeah,
everything.
it took me 12 years
Yeah.
to wait for my paperwork.
Oh man, that's a
Yep.
long time.
Yep. Yeah, that's the thing. If you want to come here legally,
Yeah, you got to do it the right way. And
yep, I had to serve the military over there, finish my service, get my passport,
yeah,
just on time for Uncle Sam to finally give me my green card.
yeah, Uncle Sam.
But I could have just go across the border, pay $1,000,
And it would have been that easy.